Hi, I'm Leesa Rowland, and I'm an actress, an animal activist, and an author. I live in Midtown Manhattan, and I'd like to welcome you to my New York City apartment. I wanted everything to be a reflection of who I am and what I love, and I can't wait to show it to you. So come on in. I wanted my entranceway to make an impression. I had these gorgeous doors, custom designed, and I love the motif that I chose because it matches some other things that I love in the house, and I'll show them to you in a few minutes. And I put this lovely mirror up because I just think it makes the place look larger. I love my black and white marble floors, and my friend here guards my palace. You can go anywhere from here, but I'm going to take you to my main entertainment area. This is where I live. Lounge, dine, and drink. This is my toast to Hollywood glam in the heart of New York City. Not only do I love glam, I also love comfort. And that's what my living space is all about. And that's why I surrounded myself with things that I love, including these needlepoint pillows by my mother. I really wanted a fireplace, so I talked to my architect, and we came up with this fabulous stone fireplace that is the focal point of the whole living area. But if you want to be a little less focused, step into my bar. Here you have everything you could ever need: a wine cooler, liquor, and you'll always have someone to drink with. For the lounge, I really wanted to take advantage of this corner view. I wanted to keep it bright and airy in here, and that's why I chose this light-colored curved sofa. I also put in a mirrored console. The motif on it actually inspired the doors in my entryway. And for a little touch of royalty, I did invite the Queen. And because I wanted this space to work with the other areas, I put in these luxurious swivel chairs. When I throw a dinner party, I want everyone to feel like a star. So I chose this sleek Armani table and these gorgeous velvet Jonathan Adler chairs. I installed this magnificent chandelier. And not only does it look good, it makes you look good too. And these antiqued mirrors add depth to the space. And every time I throw a dinner party here, I feel like I should take a bow. Welcome to my bedroom, which is generally something I only say to a few good friends. To contrast with the florals, I chose this geometric carpet. For the bed itself, I wanted it to feel like it was actually embracing me, so I chose this high headboard and this quilted fabric. I find this room so relaxing and inspiring. It's actually where I wrote most of my most recent book. Behind me is a mirror dresser that has the same motif as the entryway and the lounge. I've got one more fabulous space to show you. Welcome to my little slice of heaven. My closet is actually my favorite room in the house. You will see gold accents, a fabulous city view, and of course, you'll see yourself. And let's be honest, what's more glamorous than a dressing room? I believe great design comes from doing what you love, having fun with it, and a little glam doesn't hurt either. Thank you so much for coming to my home. I hope you've enjoyed taking a look.
Can't get enough of these breathtaking homes? Hit that subscribe button for more open house coming your way.